Hi guys, it's Jennifer from Porter. Today I'm here to give you a demo on the basics of Porter Dashboard, or VMS, which stands for Vendor Management System. To start off, log into your account by entering your credentials. This should be sent to you via email when you registered an account with Porter. If you can't remember your password, click on Forgot Password, and a new password will be sent to you. Once you're in Porter Dashboard, there are three main things that you can do here: create orders, track deliveries, and download delivery reports, which you can see on this main page. A side note, if you're logging in for the first time, go to Setting and make sure your business profile is updated. Any issues with billings will be directed to this contact info. Now, let's start with creating orders. To create a new order, click on the giant plus sign on top left. You can select from three types of delivery service: same day, next day, and regular delivery service. Let's say I want to get my products delivered on the same day. Now, fill out the pickup details and select from the available pickup time slots. You can schedule a pickup up to 7 days in advance. Now, once that's done, fill out the recipient details, manually or using the bulk import feature. I'll do that manually here since I only have 2 packages to send out. Make sure you enter the recipient phone number and email address so that they'll receive SMS and email notifications from Porter as the delivery progresses. That's one done. Click on the arrow here to add a new recipient. If you change your mind and want to cancel the second recipient, you can simply click the tiny X button on the top right. Click Next to continue. Make sure all details are correct, then click Submit. When you see this page, you've successfully submitted an order and a booking ID has been assigned to your order. If you have any issues regarding your order, refer to this number when talking to our customer service team. Now, all you need to do is print the waybill, stick it to your package, and wait for a porter to pick up your package at the scheduled date and time. And next, we have tracking deliveries. In here, we have 2 different lists: your orders and your deliveries. The difference here is your orders are all the orders you've submitted or scheduled. One order can contain multiple deliveries, as you can see here on the order details. Meanwhile, your deliveries are individual shipment to each customers. You can search for a specific delivery by tracking number or order number on the search box. Lastly, we have downloading delivery reports. This is a list of all the deliveries that I've scheduled with Porter today. I can change the date range to a week, a month, a year, or any custom range. Once you're done setting the date range, click on the download report to get the delivery data in Excel format. And that's everything in my quick demo for you today. I hope this helps you getting started with Porter. If you have any questions, always feel free to send us a message at cs@porter.id. Thanks for watching.